I'm here to show you how you can do auto camera raw picture hot settings. Auto camera raw picture hot settings. I'm here to show you up. Okay, so let's wait for the Photoshop open. My machine is a little bit slow. Okay, so don't worry, let it wait till it's open. Okay, if that, go to file or new, create file, then let's bring this, then you create it so that this can open fast for you. Okay, so import picture you want to do the auto camera raw filter hot settings. So let's upload the picture. So copy the picture here. After the picture open, go to filter, then choose camera raw filter. Here, then it's open. If the camera filter open, then we move up to what, the auto settings. Just look at this, it's what, open the settings what for you. It's open the settings what for you. Then it shows you all what, how it is. So this is before, this is after, this is before, and this is after. That's subscribe it for me, like and share. Thank you.